Hey everyone, here we have a 1998 Subaru 22B. If you're looking at this video, then hopefully you already have an idea about how special and how rare these cars actually are. This particular one is number 61 of 400 made. Technically, there was a few more than 400 made, but they did not fall within the numbered series. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. And from there, I want to take you guys on a detailed tour around the car, under the hood, through the interior, the trunk, and the wheels, etc. So let's cut right to it. So we'll start at the front passenger corner here. We now have our beautiful OEM wheels on the car, as well as our STI titanium badges. Our paintwork is looking absolutely phenomenal. This was sprayed out of the gun. It was not cut and polished. With that being said, it gives it a beautiful OEM-like finish. We did, however, go through the car and denib anything that did make its way into the clear coat. The effort in finding these tires and the price of these tires will definitely please any enthusiast or purist of these cars. And in particular, it is a Pirelli P0 Asymmetrico. So these are actually the exact tires that the car would have come with new in 1998. However, these are a production date of 2024. Then we have some rear end action here. There is no bad angles on this car. And here we are in the interior of the car. Everything is looking fantastic, almost as if new, which a lot of it is. And the very iconic 22B seats there. Now our floor mats, very cool indeed. These are aftermarket. They're from Roger Clark Motorsports. We do still have the original floor mats in great condition, but these were just a little bit more exciting and definitely suited our nice, tidy car. So when this was restored, it was a complete disassembly. So we have painted through all the jams, everything was removed, as well as all the moldings and the window trims. Now here we are under the hood of the car. Everything for the most part is quite OEM. Most people wouldn't notice, but these are actually an aftermarket ignition wire. Very minor detail. It is pretty easy to get the original ignition wires if desired. I would say those were replaced as more of a maintenance thing rather than a performance thing. Then our hood underneath we did finish in a matte World Rally Blue. The purpose being was to try and match the engine bay paint code there. Overall, a very nice, tidy engine bay. And here we are over on the passenger side. Everything over here is looking just as good as the driver's side. Then we're going to step back here and take in the paintwork, see if we can get around the car and show you every angle. The purpose of this video, if you haven't found out yet, is to kind of give an in-depth look at this particular car, because this particular car is actually for sale. So if you are interested in this car, obviously I hope you are in the realm of having some serious cash. There will be the owner's contact info in the description below. Once this car sells, which it is possibly already in the works, I would then remove the contact info, and we'll leave this video up for future viewers who kind of want a nice little tour through a very tidy 22B. Now, while we were back under the hood of the car, I'd like to point out it does have a Zero Sports intercooler shroud rather than the OEM one. The ignition wires are Nology, which is actually kind of a performance upgrade. It does have a Zero Sports crank pulley, and then the Maxim Motorworks header. At this current time, the car has traveled 77,000 kilometers and it is located in Ontario, Canada.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tour in and around the car. Until the next one, happy Subaruing.